Once again, a very good afternoon to everyone. Today we will discuss the most important topic of the science subject and 10th standard, that is called as the life process. This is the sixth chapter in your science subject. Okay, the most important chapter in according to your board examination, that is called as the life process. Okay, and also make it the set. And also in this chapter we will discuss in detailed way how the life is going to process. Okay, what kind of the mechanisms are there, what kind of different kind of mechanisms are there related to this chapter. The first one is what the criteria to decide the whether the something is alive. So what is the criteria? So what is the criteria to decide something is alive? So the first criteria, that is called as a movement. The first criteria, that is called as a movement. Okay, though the first criteria, that is called as movement. The movement is one of the most important criteria to something is alive. If movement is there, the any organism movement is there, so the organism is considered that is a alive. If movement is not there, that organism is considered as a that is a non-living things. Okay, the first important criteria to decide the organism alive or dead, that is what first one is movement. Okay, if maximum how there are many organisms are there in this world. Okay, there are according to there are research there are 18,000 different kind of organisms are exist on this earth. The all organisms they can move from one place to another place with the help of some organs. Okay, this is the most important criteria for living organism. Okay, and the living things move from one place to another place, that is called as external movement. The organism they move from one place to another place, okay, with the help of some organs, that is called as external movement. Okay, and some movements are easily visible like movements of body. There are the some organisms are there, some organisms are there, they can move from one place to another place. We can easily visible with the help of our naked eyes. Our naked eyes. Okay, we can easily move from there are some organisms they move from one place to another place with the help of some organs. We are easily visible those organisms, they are moved from one place to another place with the help of naked eyes. Okay, there are the some organisms are there, they will move but we can't see our naked eyes. That is called as a molecular movement. That is called as a molecular movement. One is what, first one is what, molecular movement is a one kind of movement that is occur inside the cell. Remember it, the molecular movement occur inside the cells. Molecular movement occur inside the cell. Okay, the which kind of movement? It is movement occur inside the tissue. Okay, the tissue, what is mean by tissue? It is a group of cells. The inside the what kind of movements are there inside the cell? The transportation of lipid molecule, carbohydrate molecule, water molecule. Okay, this movement it is called as a molecular movement. Okay, the whatever the criteria to decide the something is alive, the most criteria that is called as a movement. Okay, there are two types of movement are there: external movement and a molecular movement. External movement depends upon the organism, external body, and the internal movement totally depends upon the molecular movement. Molecular movement occur inside the cell. Okay, and the next one is the life process. What kind of the different mechanism occur inside the life process? There are the four mechanisms are there. Nutrition, first one is what, nutrition, and the respiration, and the transportation and excretion. There are the four important process are there of life, that is called nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Okay, what is life process? The life process, there are the organism in there, the basic process of the living organism, the necessary to maintaining their life of the basic process for nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. There are the four important mechanisms are there for the maintaining of the life. One is what, nutrition, respiration and transportation and excretion. Okay, we will study in this video in detailed manner what is the process of nutrition, what is the meaning of respiration, what is the process of transportation and excretion. If these processes are there in the living thing, that is called as, this all process are going on their living thing, that is called as that organisms are alive. Okay, there are one process are not going continuously, that it is considered as it is a dead particle. Okay, there is one of the most important mechanism of the life process is, one is what? Nutrition. So first we will study what is the meaning of nutrition. Nutrition means there are the organisms are there taking of food inside, taking of food what? Taking of food inside, and that food are going to utilize for the growth of body. If any damages occurs in our body, that repairing of that damage. Okay, for utilize that all the food, whatever the foods are taking inside, the food are going to metabolize. Okay, whatever the metabolize are there, proteins, lipids, with the help of that food, the whatever the growth are their bodies growth and damages are there, it is helpful for the recover of that body damage. Okay, the another one is most important criteria of mechanism for the life process is respiration. Respiration is the process which food is burned in the cell, the body, with the help of the oxygen and release energy. Respiration is most one of the important process in our living organism. There are the many organisms are there, they will respire. What is the meaning of respire? Respire means inhaling the intake of oxygen, inhaling the carbon dioxide. Intake of oxygen, inhaling the carbon dioxide. Respiration is one of the most important. Without respiration, any organism can't alive in this earth. Okay, there is a most important the process of life, that is called as a respiration. During the time of respiration, each and every organism take the oxygen inside and the releasing the carbon dioxide. During the taking of oxygen inside and releasing the carbon dioxide, there are so many mechanisms are occur. There are the some mechanism we will study in the different chapter. What kind of mechanisms are there? What kind of process when you take oxygen inside? What kind of mechanisms occur when you release the carbon dioxide outside? Okay, we will study these chapters, these topics in the different chapter. Now we will see the third one of the most important process, that is called as a transportation. Transportation, it is one of the most life process, that is called as, two processes are completed. One is what? Nutrition. Another is what? Respiration. Third one is transportation. Okay, it is a process by which the food, oxygen, water, waste product and carried from the part of the body to other. Okay, transportation, whatever the protein molecules are there, whatever the oxygen, water molecules are there, they will transfer from one part of the body to another part, that is called as a transportation. Okay, if transportations are not occurring, transportations are not occurring means any part of the body will not get any type of the protein, lipid, whatever the molecules are there, proper nourishment are not there in our body. Transportation is one of the most important. Transportations occur with the help of the cells. Transportations occur with the help of the cells. Okay, with the help of the fluid molecules which are present inside our the body, that is called as a blood, that is called as a, okay, that is called as a blood. Okay, first one is completed, that is called as a nutrition, and second one is the respiration, third one is the transportation. Nutrition is a nothing but whatever the taking of the food inside the body, that is utilized for the repairing growth tissue and any damages occur in our body, for repairing for those damages. Okay, and second one is the respiration. Respiration is a nothing but that inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide, that is called as a respiration. The process when you are inhaling the oxygen, there are the some mechanisms are occur in our body, that there are the different kind of very complicated things are there. In that complicated things we will study in the next chapter. Okay, next chapter in the next video, and or the next video, what kind of the mechanisms are there during the time of the respiration. And the third one is what? Transportation. Transportation means what? There is a transport of water molecule and oxygen molecule or food molecule or waste product from other part of the body. Transport of these three molecules from one part to other part, that is called as transportation. These three mechanisms occurs in our body. Nutritions are our transportations, respirations also occurs, and transportations also occurs. And the fourth one is most important, that is called as excretion. Without excretion, human beings, any organism can't live, okay, more than 1 to 2 days, because excretion is one of the most important process in our body. Excretion, you can see that these four processes are the nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. We can see in these images also. The first one is what? Nutrition. Okay, second one is what? Respiration. This is the diagram of respiration. Respiration occurs with the help of lungs only. Okay, respiration occurs in lungs. Okay, nutrition occurs in the whole digestive system, canal system, that is called as the body canal system. And fourth one is third one is what? Transportation. Transportation occur with the help of blood. I already told you the first during the starting of the class only. Transportation occurs, that is with the help of blood. Okay, the most important life process is what? Excretion. Excretion, it is a process of annihilating the waste product or removing the waste product from the body, that is called as the excretion. Excretion, transportation, respiration, and nutrition. Okay, now in this video we are completely understood what is the life process. There are the four mechanism of life process. In the next video we can see, we can study the life process of the plant. Now in this video we are completed the life process of what? Animals. In the next video we will see the life process of plant, how the plant will do, how, what kind of different mechanisms of life process of the plant. There is one of the most important, that is called as a photosynthesis. Okay, what kind of mechanisms occurs during the photosynthesis? In the next video we can see.